Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bitcoin Calm app. First, download the free Bitcoin Calm Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, you can easily create a new wallet or import an existing one using a recovery phrase. The app's intuitive interface makes managing your cryptocurrency straightforward, allowing you to quickly access key features like sending and receiving digital assets. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency with the Bitcoin Calm app is simple. To receive, just tap the Receive button to view your unique wallet address and QR code, which you can share. When sending, select Send, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Always double-check the address and amount before confirming. The app provides clear prompts to ensure your transactions are secure and accurate, giving you peace of mind with every transfer. The Bitcoin Calm app also allows you to buy and sell digital assets directly. You can purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using various payment methods, such as credit card or bank transfer. When you're ready to sell, simply select the Sell option and follow the steps to withdraw funds to your linked bank account. The process is designed to be quick and secure, making it convenient to manage your crypto portfolio. Beyond basic transactions, the Bitcoin Calm app offers advanced features like swapping different cryptocurrencies and accessing decentralized applications. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication and back up your recovery phrase to protect your funds. Remember, keeping your wallet secure is your responsibility. Also, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for links, including one for Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your car smelling fresh. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.